What's up guys, Eric from Beat Sonic here, and in today's Beat Social series we have a special guest here with a very special car. Let's find out what he is all about and how special his car is. Please introduce yourself.
Hi, my name is Adriel. I am here from My Japan Direct, bringing the shop car, the My Japan Direct Kuhl Racing Prius. Well, My Japan Direct is a retail shop. We primarily focus on auto body kits from Japan. We basically import about 2 containers every month, bringing in premier body kits from different brands such as Rowan, Kuhl Racing UC, and C West and Ings, and many more.
All right, so you guys are located in California.
Correct, we are in Anaheim.
And where do you guys ship to?
We can ship worldwide. Basically, we are the gateway to other places as well, not just the lower 48. But we can also ship, if you have one in Australia, Europe, by any means, we also ship there as well.
So is there like a specific JDM part that's the most popular right now?
A lot of people do go for like 3-piece kits, lips, side skirts, and little rear spoilers or rear flares.
Are there any specific vehicles right now that's very popular that people are buying parts for?
The GR86 is a common car to go with. I personally have a GR86 myself. Obviously the GR Supra, the GTRs, and the new Z. They're a very hot commodity right now.
So what's the most memorable story or experience that you have working at My Japan Direct so far?
I guess running parts, the first time I had to run parts with this car, obviously this is a slammed Prius. I never really worked with bags myself, had to question my coworkers, and my coworker had to teach me how to use bags. And it was a little funny because I didn't expect it to feel that way when I was driving. But yeah, it's comfortable, it's not as stiff as my suspension, which I have coilovers, so.
It's a good theft deterrent too. It's gonna be hard to take the car when the car's on the floor.
Yes, and you can't take my catalytic converter.
Yeah. Yes, exactly. How important do you think the aftermarket and customization scene is in the JDM car community in the US?
I think it's really big. Obviously, we can change the look of other people's cars with any other brands, but it's very important because it becomes your individuality, right? So you can personalize your car the way you want to do it. You can mix match parts. We have 200 brands that we carry that you can choose from with whatever car you may have.
Adriel, I know you with the car, you have a long history with playing with cars and you just being able to enjoy the car overall. So what got you interested in vehicles and cars?
It's a funny story because my mom is into cars.
Oh, she? Wow.
Yeah, so she is really into cars. So one day I just decided to pick it up as a hobby. I bought myself a Miata.
Nice.
And
it's a good starter.
Yeah, it's a nice car. It was a manual car. I learned how to drive it. And then eventually moved forward to a GR86, which is back at the shop.
Nice. And can you tell me about the other shop cars that you have other than the Prius?
Oh, we do have the Rowan RCF. My boss is currently driving it right now.
It's a wide body, right?
It is. It's wide bodied, yes. The front flares are actually wide body, but it's stock body in the back. And yeah, it's a pretty nice car. It's an RCF, so it's very luxurious, I guess.
Yeah, fast too.
Yep.
Yes. So what are some advice you will give to someone wanting to start modding their own vehicle?
I mean, do your research. Do your research, find out what kind of parts fit in your car. Make sure they come from a reputable source. Always try to buy authentic. Those are my best, I guess, advice to anybody that's starting in the car scene. Yeah, just have fun with it. I mean, that's the most important thing, right?
That's right, yes. And I like how Adriel touched upon keeping it very authentic, and that's how you guys are able to support the industry, because without buying authentic, I mean, a lot of minds and thoughts and development go into making car look like this. We're gonna end up losing that art if you guys start buying replicas, which we are against. So where do you see the JDM import scene going in the next few years?
I mean, I'm hoping it's a huge boom. Again, we did, and I know in the mid-2000s we had a golden era of JDM boom, from medias like Initial D, and then you have the Fast and Furious, Tokyo Drift, of course. And right now it's been kind of good because of Toyota making fun cars again, but we can't give them all the credit because we have the Z still, the GTRs are still, on their last year, and we also have Honda's Type Rs and S2K still making a resurgence. So
yeah,
it's always a fun scene to be around.
Really look forward to the S2000. They've been talking about that for such a long time though. I really hope it comes out. So how do you think about the EVs and electric cars and how it's going to shape the car culture in the future?
I'm not against EVs. I know there's a lot of purists that would hate my opinion, but I don't see it as a bad thing. I see it as it's more efficient. I get it. It's just going to be like horses, and cars. People, they still have horses, but there's just more cars on the road. So it makes those JDM cars, those pieces that you have, pieces of art and collectibles.
That's right. So what's your personal dream car, Adriel?
Honestly, the GT4 RS. I know it's not JDM, but if you ask me for a JDM car, I've always loved the Mark IV Supra.
Yeah.
My wife actually has a Mark V Supra, so she's driving that all day. But I want a Mark IV ever since I've watched Fast and Furious, and you can get the Supra tax.
Yeah.
Yeah, I want one in Renaissance Red, so if you know anybody selling it for dirt cheap, I'd take it off your hands.
Sweet. Awesome. You have a buyer right here, guaranteed buyer.
$5 only.
Yes. And what is the import process like, bringing in the JDM parts and accessories and all these body kits?
Right, very simple. Customer orders. We, as a distributor, will contact the manufacturer. Manufacturer gets started on the process, and we'll have it basically containered in through ship and into our warehouse, and we ship directly to you from our warehouse.
Super easy, guys. So if you guys want a seamless process in getting these JDM parts, My Japan Direct are the guys you need to reach out to. Without them, things could get very complicated, super pricey, and there's a big language barrier too when you try to contact companies in Japan. So utilize them. They are a huge asset for our US market. Make sure you utilize them as much as you can.
And our prices are transparent on the website. So whatever you see is whatever you pay, besides obviously tax and shipping, and then we'll figure it out from there.
So let's go to your car. Any modifications you made on this car? It looks kind of plain. I'm just kidding. So can you tell us about our modifications? Walk us through the whole thing.
Well, this is a regular Prius still. It is on air runner suspension, and we have the Verz wheels right here in matte black, and the other side we have it on sand bronze. We can't forget about the biggest thing on the kit right here on the car itself. The kit is Kuhl Racing kit. This is basically their wide body kit. We are the second one. Thurston is the first. This is our demo car that we brought out to SEMA 2024. So my boss had a Prius, right? And Kuhl Racing decided to say, hey, we know you have a Prius. We need to slap our stuff on it. And so we have the Kuhl Racing kit and the wheels. This is Verz Wheels by Kuhl Racing.
So this Prius was purchased originally as a daily driver?
Correct.
Okay, it was never meant to be like this.
It was never meant to be like this. My boss wanted it as just a daily driver for him to get to work, but it ended up being in SEMA. So pretty funny story.
Yeah.
And now it's a parts car.
Yeah.
I drive it and I deliver parts with it.
Okay. So what daily does he have now?
He uses the RCF, believe it or not.
RCF, okay. Nice. The wide body RCF, if you see it being driven around here in Southern California, Orange County area, it's probably My Japan Direct. All right, so what product from Beat Sonic USA have you installed in this car?
Oh, so we have the Encore Alpha amplifier.
So what do you think about that amplifier?
Genuine response. I went in there. We tested it in the booth, and I could tell the difference. So the bass was there, sound was definitely clearer. I will be driving this car to the dealership to get it maintenance, and I'll have a great time listening to music.
Can we have a listen?
Yeah.
Let's do it.
Let's hop in.
All right.
Whoa.
Oh, nice.
Yes, very nice. Actually, very
Yes. So your car is the base model, non-JBL, correct?
correct. That's the base model.
It sounds really nice. Any subwoofer or speakers that you add in together with our amplifier?
No, it's just the amplifier.
Wow, okay. What have you noticed by adding our amplifier? What kind of difference have you noticed in your audio quality?
The bass is great, and then you also have, I guess, there's literally other frequencies that you can hear when you're listening now. It's just so immersive. It's pretty good.
Yeah, we hear that a lot. Like it's like high definition audio from like a low definition. And there's a lot of new sounds that could be heard, which you couldn't before.
Right.
Yes, awesome. So you think others should buy the amplifier as well?
Yes, if they're using their Prius for daily driving or even parts running like me, I definitely recommend the Encore Alpha amplifier.
All right, cool. Sounds good. All right, Adriel. Well, thank you so much for coming in today and just sharing us about the car, about how you are involved in the car culture and how amazing like your car looks and how many things that you have done to the car, and especially the Encore Alpha power amplifier, how you've been enjoying it. Thank you so much for sharing that with us. And for all of you guys out there, if you guys are interested in talking about the B-Sonic products in your car, go ahead and hit us up at info@bsonicusa.com. We love to shoot a video with you. And for everybody else, leave a comment. Let us know how you enjoyed this video and other type of videos that you like to see from us. We really love to have or see your feedback. And as always, guys, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give us that like. It'll really help us out. Thank you very much, and see you guys on the next video.
All right, see you later.
Peace. Sweet, thank you. Appreciate it.
You rock.
Oh.
You rock.